E o robozinho vem. Seja bem-vindo, seja bem-vinda a esse canal. Hoje vamos sobrevoar a região da comunidade Papagaio, em Formiga, Minas Gerais. E vamos acompanhar esse trenzão passando, indo sentido Timboré. Se inscreva aqui no canal e deixe seu like. Bora pro voo! Essa composição estava cheia de calcário e clinker. E as máquinas puxando eram as locomotivas BB36. Vamos ir acompanhando a bela composição e as lindas paisagens pelo caminho.
Whispers in my head, what you gonna do? 선택의 기로에 난 지켜내려 해. 쉽지 않아도 진실한 나만의 beliefs. You know what they say, don't brag about what you have. Be careful and be humble, otherwise you should be ready to stumble. You know what they say, 자신감이 없니? 왜 당당하게 살지?
trying to be in there, not trying to be cool, just trying to be in this. Tell me how you do. Can you feel where the wind is? Can you feel it through all of the windows inside this room? 'Cause I wanna touch you, baby, and I wanna feel you too. I wanna see the sunrise and your sins, just me and you. Light it up on the run. Let's make love tonight. Make it up, fall in love twice. But you never be alone. I've been with you from dusk till dawn. I've been with you from dusk till dawn. Baby, I'm right here. I want you when things go wrong. I've been with you from dusk till dawn. I've been with you from dusk till dawn. Baby, I'm right here. I've been with you from dusk till dawn. Baby, I'm right here. I've been with you from dusk till dawn. Baby, I'm right. We were shut like a jacket, so do yours. We would roll down the rapids to find a wave that fits. Can you feel where the wind is? Can you feel it through all of the windows inside this room?
'Cause I wanna touch you, baby. I wanna feel you too. I wanna see the sunrise